what is JUnit? JUnit is a popular Java-based open source framework that is primarily used for unit testing Java projects. You can test websites, web apps by performing Selenium automation testing with JUnit. And keep in mind that Selenium and JUnit can be used independently of each other. Through testing with JUnit and Selenium combined helps to write test cases in a more structured way. And annotations that we are going to learn during the course in JUnit are used for identifying test methods, a variety of assertions, grouping tests into test suites, and ease offered in maintaining tests are major reasons for JUnit's popularity for cross-browser testing. As I said, JUnit is free and open source. The JUnit 5 that we're going to talk in this module is the next generation of JUnit. And fun fact, JUnit 5 is the result of a project called JUnit Lambda that actually was crowdfunded by a campaign. And JUnit 5 actually isn't a monolithic thing. Actually, it contains of 3 parts: JUnit Platform, JUnit Jupiter, and JUnit Vintage. Here is the architecture of JUnit 5. And let's first discuss the JUnit platform. The JUnit platform, the first part, defines the test engine API for developing a testing framework that runs on the JVM, the Java Virtual Machine. It provides a console launcher to launch the platform from the command line, plus JUnit 5 base runner for running any test engine on the platform in a JUnit 4 based environment. And there is a first-class support for JUnit in most popular IDEs, such as IntelliJ, IDEA, Eclipse, NetBeans, and Visual Studio Code, and build tools such as Gradle, Maven, and Ant that we are going to use in the next module from the course. The second part, JUnit Jupiter, is the combination of the new programming model and extension model for writing tests and extensions in JUnit 5. The Jupiter subproject provides a test engine for running Jupiter-based tests on the platform. And the third and last part, JUnit Vintage, provides a test engine for running JUnit 3 and JUnit 4 based tests on the platform.